What's up, guys? How's it going? MikeTheTech here. We have a brand new one from New. You may have seen our videos on the new N10 and new N30. Well, now we got a friend for it, the new N20. A mid-range phone right in the middle of those two models. We have a 6.56 IPS HD 720 display. 1.6 gigahertz octa-core GPU, 16 and 8 megapixel rear cameras, 5 megapixel front camera, 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of ROM, that's quite a bit of internal memory, and a 5,000 milliamp hour battery. All of this on Android 14 with OTA updates. That's right, I actually started up the phone and went through the install process and everything just to make sure it was on the appropriate version of Android for you guys. I didn't want to speak without actually knowing, but this does look like it is the 6 gigs of RAM model on Android 14, which is really cool. Going into the device itself, we have a really nice purple galaxy style design here. I really like that design a lot, actually. It's very nice. However, they always think of you. I'm not surprised at this. I'm happy that they continued the trend, but they always include a TPU case for their phones. And every single one I've gotten in the past, they've always included a case and a screen protector. And I don't just mean one in the box, because there isn't one here. It's already applied. Whoa! It's already applied on the phone. So they're really thinking of you over at New, which I really enjoy. This is, of course, a budget phone, but it feels extremely premium. And you're going to get those really fast speeds as well, because on a 720p screen, which might seem, whoa, that's a downgrade. I know that this other phone has like 4K or 6K or whatever the case. It takes significantly more GPU power to run games and apps at that higher resolution. Having it at 720p means you're actually going to get some solid frame rates using an older graphic or a less powerful graphics processor than you might find on the latest flagship phone, right? So I actually think the lower resolution is a really smart design choice for budget phones, because they can provide a much better user experience at the impact of some slight visual quality. It's not quite as high resolution as some other phones, right? But yeah, overall, I think this is a solid entry to the New family. I'm definitely going to try this out for a while. Obviously not as my main phone, but I'm going to play around with it, take some video, and do some comparisons and things like that to really get an idea of the camera quality and such. But yeah, I think this is a pretty solid phone. The price is right, the specs are right, and I think it was thoughtfully designed, again, with that 720p in mind, giving it a bit more oomph to the processing power on these budget phones. So yeah, shout out to New for sending this over. Let me know what you'd like to know about this phone in the comment section below, and I'll do an update video on any kind of speed tests or photo quality or video quality, what matters most to you in a phone. Let me know and I'll make a video on it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good one. Peace.